B.Tech in artificial intelligence versus B.Tech in computer science. Now, many students are confused whether to take B.Tech program in artificial intelligence or in computer science. As many colleges, I think almost every college now sell B.Tech in artificial intelligence as one of their USPs. Now let's understand this in detail so that you will be able to make a decision at the end of it whether to go ahead with this or not. The first thing, let's understand how the colleges are selling this as a unique selling program. First thing, they call it future proof. They tell the traditional CS programs are already outdated and AI program is the advanced one. So go for the future proof one or advanced one. Number two, they say they have lot of research facilities like AI research lab powered by this company, that company, etc., which looks really impressive during the campus tours. Number three, they might separate the AI placements cohort separately and say AI people are getting placed. So they sell these placements, they sell this research facility, and they sell this future proof funda to sell this AI courses. Now let's understand this in detail. The first thing what they are saying is like it is future proof. Now, when you say it is future proof, predominantly on the curriculum, you should understand this in detail. Now, if you are really learning AI curriculum in your second year of the program, you will be learning about statistical models, neural networks, etc. But many colleges, what they do is like, they tweak few subjects in the computer science program and call it as introduction to AI. So this future proof thing mainly is on papers but not on reality. Number two, on the foundation. When I say on the foundation, you require, or many students require a great foundation on operating systems, cloud architecture, etc., etc. if you are looking for a broader career in computer science and engineering. But many times the foundation becomes very narrow and it becomes very specific in the case of AI and this kind of programs. Number three is on the flexibility. Now, I would always say undergraduate programs or B.Tech programs normally give you an opportunity to work at the entry level jobs or the jobs normally mass recruiters hire for. In that sense, AI becomes very specialized. Even though the opportunities are very great, it looks for very specific roles and with deep amount of expertise, where general computer science students get an exposure and basics to almost everything, and they can decide their career on full stack development or web designing, cloud architecture, etc. in future also, wherein this program is very specific. So let's break it down into three important parameters and understand this further. The first thing, on the job market, because everyone is looking for jobs. Now, if you are looking for job market and if you are looking for B.Tech in AI and B.Tech in computer science, your job search becomes very specific to the AI roles. And even though there are high demand for specialists, the roles are highly competitive. Please do keep in mind. But computer science job market gives you a universal demand. That is one point I would say you can consider. Second point, why you need to consider while taking it is like the curriculum. You need to clearly understand whether the curriculum provided by them, predominantly on the AI, is focused on models, data, algorithms, etc. Normally this is the case. But normally computer science programs, curriculum are focused on logic, software engineering, systems, and a comprehensive understanding of the computer science as well. So this becomes bit comprehensive on the curriculum side with logic, software engineering basics, etc., architecture basics, etc. Now, third point I would like to bring here is like the amount of math intensity, the knowledge of mathematics you need to have. You should have a very strong base on mathematics, without which it is very difficult to work with AI, to understand AI, to learn AI basics, the linear models, etc., etc. Where, so the intensity of maths will not be that great. It will be a general thing for the computer science students as well. Now, finally, if you're looking at a flexibility of your career, and flexibility of AI will be very narrow and specific, where computer science will have a broader flexibility in terms of career, where you can pivot into AI, web, cloud, cyber later if you are learning a computer science program. But you will be committed to this niche of AI if you are going ahead with the AI program. So please think, reciprocate, then decide which program you want to go to. Always look at the curriculum before you jump into. Always have a discussion with the alumni, with the faculty before you take up the program. If you need further understanding on this, if you want to check the suitability for this, we can definitely help you out also.